Hey friends, I'm really glad you get to watch this video. I'm about to introduce you to the most powerful e-commerce tool online. It doesn't require a credit card and there's no free trial. The first 10 products are always free. You can literally be up and running in 5 minutes or less, depending on your proficient skills on the computer, and have a full e-commerce shopping cart with 10 products. You can sell everywhere. You can even sell on Facebook. Not only is the product free for the first 10 products, it works on every device. Okay? You don't have to have a web domain. You don't have to have hosting. You can literally get this started and be up and running within 5 minutes and sell any product that you want. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you how this works. Once you've done that, it takes about 4 to 5 seconds to create your store. I'm not kidding, it's that quick. So now we're inside of Ecwid, we're inside of your store, and we're going to do a little walkthrough of the wizard which comes with the software to help you get started. You're going to get a few pop-up messages, you're welcome to read them. But what we're going to do is we're going to close them down and we're just going to take a look at the demo store that comes installed. This is the demo store that basically creates products so you can kind of get a feel of what your store can look like. We have a product, price, an add to bag button. You can preview the image. You can add it to the bag. You can go to the checkout. Essentially, what I want you to do is I want you to just play with the software, get a feel for how it works, how it looks, how you navigate the products, how you change the options on the product. Change it from 1 item to 100 items. The price will change instantly. And then you can update the cart so that you can see that your products' prices are changing with the settings that you're choosing. So here we go. We're inside of Ecwid, we're in the control panel, and what we're going to do is we're going to set up the store. During the course of this video, I'm going to come in and I'm going to share my insight and my experience with this software. Feel free at any time to pause the video and try this for yourself. Remember, the software is 100% free for the first 10 products. There's no trial. You don't have to put your credit card. You can literally get your store up and running for free in 5 minutes or less. To participate with this video and to build your store with my assistance watching the video, the link is in the description. Simply click the link and it'll take you to the website that you're watching right now. So in this part of the video, I'm going to be adding products. I'm going to add 6 total so that you can get a feel for having a grid that is 3 by 2, that is 3 columns by 2 rows. And I've already taken the liberty to create the graphics ahead of time. So what I've done here is I'm finishing up with the final product, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add related products to each product that already exists. What that does is that gives it a feel for a modern shopping cart. Just because someone's looking at a product, that doesn't mean that you can't show them other products that are quote-unquote similar. What this does is it helps increase the upsell potential of your website store. Okay, so here you go. This is the moment you've been waiting for. You want to see what this store looks like in action. So we're going to refresh the page and we're going to jump right in. So we have two categories and all the products are in category 1. Here we are. Here's our cupcake store that we just built in approximately 20 minutes. Now I know that I told you that it takes 5 minutes to create the store, which it does. You can get the store set up and configured and add at least one product in 5 minutes. But to have a custom looking store like this with someone who's very proficient, you can get it done in about 20 to 25 minutes as you're watching right now. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking through the products, making sure that everything looks great, that the graphics are high quality, that it looks tasty and yummy because it's a cupcake store. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to work on the upsell options. So the product is a cupcake and it has a set price of $7.99. But what I want to do is I want to create 1 or 2 additional options that allows me to have the visitor not just pay $7.99, but choose 1 or 2 options to get that sale to go from $8 to hopefully close to 20 bucks. That would be the goal. So what I'm doing is I'm going to create an option called packaging, and I'm going to say, do you want this gift wrapped or do you just want it plain wrapped? And if they want it plain wrapped, it's no extra cost. But if they want it to be gift wrapped, there's an extra fee. And just to ensure that I try to get the upsell to go through, I'm going to make it be default gift wrapped. The person can choose not to have it gift wrapped by simply just clicking no gift wrapping, but it's automatically going to default to gift wrapped. Now I'm going to add an option that would determine the size of the product. So let's say that they wanted to change the colors or the type of wrapping or the type of frosting. This is where you do this. This is where you create those additional options so that someone can kind of customize the product they're about to buy. So in future videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk a little bit more detail about shipping and taxes and product options, but what you'll see here is that we have a checkout process that hasn't calculated the shipping because I haven't told it where it's being shipped to. So I'm going to type in my location, and you'll see that USPS has predetermined what it's going to cost to ship and how it's going to be shipped. The nice thing about this is that you don't have to get a calculator out and figure all the logarithms to add to your shipping. So at this point, we're going to wrap up the video because we've covered a lot of material and we've given you the essentials to get your store up and running in 5 minutes or less, and then maybe an additional 15 or 20 minutes to kind of customize the products, put in content, add prices and stuff like that. So what we're going to look at right now are the different types of memberships that come with this software. Now remember, you get 10 products for free. That never changes. You'll never get billed because you don't put in your credit card. But in the event you want more products, or you want more features, or you want coupon codes, all you have to do is upgrade to one of the 4 plans. And the cheapest plan that you can get started clearly is only $15 a month. That's called the Venture plan. But let's say that you wanted this software to be tied into your POS. You're talking $69 a month for software that's going to run on your POS. It would run on the Ecwid Run website, and you can even plug it into your own website. On top of that, you can even plug it into your Facebook. So essentially, you can have it running on 4 different systems or more simultaneously. Ecwid comes with lots of different apps to make your store more amazing. In order to use discount coupons, you'll need to have the Venture plan or higher. Remember, the Venture plan is only like $15 a month. As I mentioned earlier, if you would like to jump on this opportunity, the link is in the description. I hope you choose to use this software.